Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use DeepL Translator real time. So guys, in order for you to do this, you have to do this on the phone. So go to the Google Play Store and search for the DeepL application. And now just simply go ahead and install the application into your device in order for you to access the real time translator. Now, after it is done downloading, guys, you could just simply open the application. Now, once you open the app, down below, you should be able to see here detect language. So just simply select a language that you are going to say. So let's say English. And let's say the second language we have is German. So let's say we are in a country where everyone is German. So now I'm gonna select the microphone icon at the bottom and I'm just gonna talk to it and select allow if microphone access is prompted. So from here, hello, how are you doing? And once you are done, just simply select the red icon. And after that, you should be able to have here a word German right away. And you could just simply let the other person read it and they should be able to understand. There you go. See ya.